How to fix stubborn lines in Epson. What I did first was to clean the head using the nozzle check and head cleaning. But after head cleaning, and I had a printout, there is still there is still a line, although mas maliit na yung lines. There are still lines. Nag-power cleaning. I did some power cleaning. This one. Pero nag-print out ulit. Meron pa rin siyang lines. Although colored na yung print out ko. And there are still lines. Stubborn lines. So what I did next was print head alignment. This one. And nag-print out. After the print head alignment, nawala na yung lines. Wala na. This is the printout of vertical print head alignment. Ito naman yung horizontal print head alignment. And I choose this one. Then pag print out, okay na.